Vivo S19 is now official in China, and it is slightly downgraded version of the Vivo S19 Pro smartphone, with quiet identical design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Vivo S19 smartphone. The Vivo S19 features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. The smartphone packs with 812 or 16 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Vivo S19 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 106-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. And both the front and rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 80 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 based on Origin OS 4 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also comes with a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.62 by 75.68 by 7.19 millimeters, and it weighs around 193 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo S19 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in smoke gray, misty blue, and peach orange color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo S19 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.